headlight. It illuminates the road ahead when driving at night or in a poor visibility. Caron, it covers and protects the engine and other components located in the front compartment. Windshield wipers. It clears rain, dust, or debris from the windshield to maintain clear visibility for the driver. This is a side mirror. It allows the driver to see vehicles or objects on other side and behind. This is the wheels. It supports the vehicle weight and enables it to move when the engine power is on. This is the tail light. It located at the back of the car. It lights up when headlights are on and when braking or turning on signal light other drivers behind. This is the car compartment. It serves as storage space for luggage, tools, and other items. This is the car door. It provides entry and exit for passengers and the driver. This is the seat belt. It protects occupants during sudden stop, collision by restraining movement and preventing injury. This is the rear view mirror. It shows the driver to see the traffic lights or object behind the vehicles. This is the horn. It used to warn others driver, pedestrian, or animals of the vehicle's presence. Signal light. It alerts and other road users when the driver intends to turn left or right. Speedometer. It plays the current speed of the vehicles, allowing the driver to stay within the speed limits. Accelerator. Controls the engine power and speed. This is the brake. It slows down or stops the vehicle by activating the brake system when pressed. The clutch. The engine from the wheels when changing gears, allowing smooth shifting without damaging the gearbox. This is also the steering wheel. Drivers will control the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheels to left or right. This is also the air ventilation. It directs airflow from the air conditioning or heating system. This is also the handbrake. It keeps the vehicle stationary when parked. This is the gear shift. It used to change gears, manual or automatic transmissions. Those are the basic parts and functions of four-wheel vehicles. Thank you.